under HITCO, the work name construction of Jagannath Dham Sanskriti Kendra at Digha. It's a cultural center, not temple, as per the document of the state government. Because we know it very well, in our constitution, no government should allow to invest any government exchequer money to any religious places. Please see, it's HITCO. HITCO is a state government concern, STU, directly controlled by the state government. They float a tender. The name of the work, again I read out, construction of Jagannath Dham, Sanskritik Kendra at Digha. She is liar.
So will you challenge this to the court against this?
No need. No need now. The Sanatani people of our country, great country, and all over the world, they respect Puri Dham. We are not allowing this type of unconstitutional efforts by the Mamata Banerjee.
So how will you protest, sir? How will you protest?
See, wait and see.
Okay. My last question is that many opposition parties have raised voice in favor of Mamata Banerjee should be the leader of India Alliance.
It's not my subject. Please ask them. I am a BJP man. I am a soldier of BJP. I am a worker of the BJP as well as the member of Legislative Assembly and holding the charge of leader of opposition in West Bengal. We are NDA. NDA is functioning. The people of India, not only the last parliament election, but after the Haryana, Maharashtra and everywhere, BJP got huge support. NDA got huge support. It's not my subject.
दादा बार बार संसद सत्र को एडजर्न किया जा रहा है, इसमें उपराष्ट्रपति के ऊपर क्वेश्चन स्लो मोशन ये करके, इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं दादा? इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं? संसद के सत्र को बार बार एडजर्न कर रहा है क्योंकि
it's a photo session only. It's a prerogative of the speaker and the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. But as a ex-MP, I would like to request Honorable Om Birla ji, please stop outside the photo session.
दिल्ली से रोहिंग्या लोगों को हटाने के लिए एलजी ने निर्देश दिया है, इसको एलजी ने दिल्ली से रोहिंग्या
We are suffering in Bengal. Here in approx 1 crore Rohingya Musliman here. They are the Mamata's vote bank and they are the complete anti-social. The supply line of the Rohingya in all over the country with the help of Mamata Banerjee's police and administration. They are coming from Bangladesh and spreading all over the country. Earlier, sex rackets arrested in Indore, all are Bangladeshi Rohingya Musliman. They are coming from Bangladesh through West Bengal. In Karnataka also, false Aadhaar card, false Epic card. जितना भी रोहिंग्या मुसलमान पूरा देश में उसको फैला गया है और जितना भी कम्युनल वायलेंस हरियाणा का नूह हो सकता है, दिल्ली का जहांगीरपुरी हो सकता है, सब ये रोहिंग्या मुसलमान कर रहा है और ममता जी उसको सप्लाई करने का जिम्मेदार लिया है। इसलिए यहाँ 72 प्लेसेस बीएसएफ को जमीन नहीं मिला, फेंसिंग नहीं है, देश खतरे में है ड्यू टू दिस appeasements government run in here by the leadership of Mamata Banerjee and face of the government is Siddiqullah Chaudhary.